But it's important for us, friends, to recognize that this is the God that we worship. This is the child who was born to us in flesh on that first Christmas morning. It is important for us to at least take a moment to reflect on the fact that God is everlasting. He is everlasting. This means, friends, that nobody created God. Nothing created God. This is often one of the very first pushbacks against the Christian faith. You know, the typical skeptic will often come up with, well, if God created the universe, well, who created God? Well, God is not a created thing. He is not a created being. His very nature is that he is self-existent and never changing. He is the everlasting God. He has life and existence within himself. Everything else that exists, whatever you can imagine that is anything else that exists because of God. Everything else is contingent upon the life of God, the creation of God, the will of God. Everything else that is created has been created by him. We recognized last week the mighty power of God. And we spoke of it in terms of God's might is his perfect ability to exercise his authority according to his good will all the time. Nothing hinders the power of God. Nothing stops the power of God. Nothing will change the mind of God. This is his might. This is his power. So we take that God and then we say this God is everlasting. He perfectly exists always. He is our everlasting Father.